Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alana. I love you to hit that subscribe button down below. So today you guys, we have another bang wig install from Luvmehair. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look right here, just stay tuned and keep watching. Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alana. I would love for y'all to hit that subscribe button down below so you guys don't miss out on none of my future videos. And if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another wig install from Luvmehair, so thank you to Luvmehair for sponsoring today's video. So they sent me over this burgundy banged unit. The bangs are just way too thick for my liking, so we're gonna have to do some work to this wig. Bangs just always take me the longest. I like my bangs to just look a certain way. From the looks of it, it should be real simple. Straight out of the box, the color is very pretty. It's like a nice maroon color. So I already showed you guys the inside of the cap. It just has a real small section of lace inside. It also has two combs inside as well. It also has a comb in the back. What I really like about this wig is that they have a sewn in adjustable strap. So with this being a glueless wig, this is going to give us extra security. So you can make this as loose or as tight as you want it. So with that being said, let's put this wig on, y'all. You know, let's see what it's giving. Okay, so I can't see. So this is what it's giving straight out of the box, and as y'all can see, we need some work done with this wig, okay? Because yeah, it's not giving. What I think I'm gonna do first is work on my bangs, because that's like my favorite part. So I'm just gonna section off like where the bangs stop, just so I can see. Right now it's just, I can't really see. All right, that's a little better. So far the bangs look really good. Like I can already see like they have a bump to them a little bit. It's just make them even on both sides. Take my thinning shears, work on this bang a little bit. So if you guys like, you can literally keep it like this. I mean, some people like thick bangs. So far, the bangs actually didn't take me that long. I thought it was going to take me a little longer, but they actually did not take me long at all. I just took my thinning shears, as y'all seen, and I just thinned them out just a little bit. What I do is I just try to thin them out to whereas I can see my eyebrows. And if I can't see my eyebrows under the bangs, that means they're too thick. So that's just what I look for. I don't know if you guys can really tell. If I do it too much, it's going to look a little weird. But right now, I'm just flat ironing the rest of the hair. So far, y'all, like after flat ironing the hair, it seems like it's getting more flowy. So which is a plus. So I'm just gonna do this stuff the whole wig and we're basically almost done, y'all. Really simple, real easy. Okay guys, that was everything for today's video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys would like to purchase this wig, do not forget to check my description box down below because you guys seen how easy it was to install this wig. Literally 1, 2, 3. I would definitely recommend y'all to go and buy this wig. So do not forget to check my description box down below. I really hope you guys enjoy. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.